I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 43 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something from a calendar. And I've got this October calendar page. It's got the month, it's got the days, and it's got the dates. We need a border or frame, so I've got this border stamp that I'm going to use. Brown paper or a paper bag piece. I've got this that I want to do something with. A symbol of heraldry. And I've got this sticker. I've got this sticker I want to use. We've got a place, and I've got in the pumpkin patch or the cornfield. And our bonus is handwriting, and I wrote out this poem called Autumn Winds. Autumn winds begin to blow, colored leaves fall fast and slow, whirling, twirling all around, till at last they touch the ground. It's a kindergarten poem. I thought it was fitting. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP43 to see what everyone else has done. This has really been a fun challenge. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here it is. I've got something from a calendar. I've got my border. I've got my brown paper bag piece. A symbol of heraldry. A place in the pumpkin patch or the cornfield. And my bonus is handwriting. And I've even got a nice little pocket here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP43. I'll have it all listed in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.